Hey y'all, today we're going to show you how I make my pasta salad. Get in here. So basically I'm using spaghetti noodles, and what you see there are little mini cherry tomatoes, and I already got the cucumbers. But we're also going to use a combination of house dressing and classic Italian. We're going to use purple onions. We're going to use, this is a combination of cilantro, onions, and tomatoes. We're going to use a combination of yellow, red, and green bell peppers. We're going to have our spice packs, a ranch. We're going to have blue cheese. We're going to have Parmesan cheese, and we're going to have feta cheese. And I made a mixture up with vinegar, right, to pull the vinaigrette. And we're going to use my seasoning, Mama T's Everything Green, and we've got all our different combinations of vinegars that I use. And so with that, that's how we're going to end up making amazing pasta salad. All right, let's get started. Hey, it's Tracy, and I just want to show y'all that we are going to make an amazing pasta salad. Honey, sit back, relax, and put on your headgear. Get ready for a trip through the atmosphere. All right, so the first thing is I let somebody cut this stuff up for me, because there's no need for me to cut it up. Somebody already is doing the work for me. All right, let's get started. Okay, y'all, so what we're going to start off, with our classic vinaigrettes. Go ahead and put them in there so that you can relax the pasta from being boiled. This particular one, I'm using 2. All right, go ahead and put 2 of them in there just like that. All right, I'm also going to be using some spicy ranch. It gives it a little kick, but not too much. It doesn't overpower it. I'm not going to use about half of the pack anyway. All right, see, I still got plenty left in there. All right, and that's how we're going to get started. After that, we're going to just start combining our different stuff. We're going to stir it, and then I'm going to cream this, okay? Let's get it started. Okay, next I added a little mayo, and now I'm going to add house Italian. This combination right here is going to cream the pasta, okay? All right. What we're going to do is we're going to take our time and we're going to mix this. All right. So that's what we're going to do. All right. We're going to get it stirred up somewhat. Now we're going to add a little everything green in here. All right. And everything green does not, it has some salt, but not much. Then we're going to start adding our cheese. We're going to add our blue cheese to this particular one. We're going to add feta cheese to this one. And we're going to add Parmesan cheese, all right? And we're going to give this a good stir. And we still have a couple of more dressings if we need it, but it will be the same combination, all right? Let's get this stirred in, and then we'll add the vegetables. Once you get it stirred up real good, this is where you want to start adding your veggies. So right here, I have a combination of cilantro, tomatoes, and onions. I'm going to add a set of combination of peppers, yellow peppers, red and green. And then I'm going to add some purple onions. You can add as many as you want. I don't have to use this whole container for this. All right. And then I have a special ingredient that I add. And it's a combination that I make with the vinegars. All right, that I use, and I'm going to pour it all in there, right? And that's a combination of the vinegars and some sugar. All right, let's give this a stir and see what we're looking like. All right, y'all, when you get through stirring it up like you want it, it's going to be nice, colorful, and well blended. You can place your vegetables any way you really want to. Here at Mama's Comfort Cooking, honey, I'm going to take it and put it in another container, and this is your outcome. Thank y'all so much for watching. This is pasta made my way. Now remember, you can add black olives, you can add shrimp, you can add chicken, you can add whatever you want. Put it in the refrigerator. Give it a day or so. It tastes even better than it does today. See y'all later, honeybees. Thank you for watching.